Hello, and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the European Union's AI Act and its regulatory framework. The IUAI Act is a proposed set of regulations aimed at governing the development and deployment of artificial intelligence across the European Union. It was first unveiled in April 2021 by the European Commission and is set to become one of the most comprehensive and ambitious pieces of AI regulation in the world. So, what exactly does the EU AI Act propose? Well, at its core, the Act aims to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is safe, transparent, and respects fundamental rights. To achieve this, it introduces a number of key measures and requirements that AI developers and users will need to comply with. One of the most important aspects of the AI Act is its risk-based approach to regulation. This means that AI systems will be classified into different risk categories based on their potential impact on human safety, privacy, and fundamental rights. High-risk AI systems, such as those used in healthcare or transportation, will be subject to the most stringent regulations and requirements. For example, developers of high-risk AI systems will need to conduct a thorough risk assessment before the system can be deployed, and will need to ensure that the system undergoes regular testing and monitoring to ensure its ongoing safety and compliance. In addition, they will need to provide users with clear and transparent information about the AI system's capabilities and limitations. Another important aspect of the AI Act is its emphasis on transparency and accountability. AI developers and users will be required to provide clear explanations of how their systems work, and will need to ensure that they can be held accountable for any negative impacts or unintended consequences that their systems may cause. This will be particularly important for AI systems used in critical infrastructure, such as transportation or energy networks, where any failures or malfunctions could have serious consequences. In addition, the Act includes provisions for creating a European AI board, which will be responsible for overseeing the implementation and enforcement of the regulations. Overall, the EU AI Act represents a significant step forward in the regulation of AI in Europe. It has the potential to set a new global standard for AI governance and to ensure that the benefits of AI are realized in a way that is safe, transparent, and respects fundamental rights. Of course, there are also some argue that the regulations could stifle innovation by making it more difficult for startups and smaller companies to enter the market, or by limiting the development of certain types of AI application. Others, however, argue that the regulations will actually help to foster innovation by providing a clear framework for the development and deployment of AI, and by creating a level playing field for all companies operating in the European Union. At this point, it's still too early to say exactly how the AI Act will play out in practice. The proposed regulations will now go through a process of review and negotiation, and it may be several years before they are fully implemented. But one thing is clear: the EU is taking the issue of AI regulation seriously and is working to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. Whether the AI Act represents the best way to achieve this goal remains to be seen, but it's certainly a step in the right direction. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.